What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Passport Stamp. And on today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you this apartment. I'm gonna show you just like an apartment view, show you around. I'm gonna give you the reasons why I left this apartment. And if you want the information of this apartment, just reach out to me on IG or Gmail at passportstamp at passportstamp2020@gmail.com. But here at Passport Stamp, we talk about international traveling and living abroad. So hit the subscribe button and join the Passport Stamp family. First thing first, before I start this episode, I want to give a big shout out to The Ratings Effect. I appreciate the donation. I appreciate everybody for all the donations. If you do want to donate, you can go to my bio and you'll see PayPal, Cash App, whatever it may be. It's going straight towards growing this platform, growing this channel, so we can show people, our people, anybody, all the walks of life about the way of living, that you can change your mind frame and think differently when it comes to living your life and traveling the world and where you want to live the rest of your life at. One love, you know who you are. I appreciate what you did. God bless you. Bless up to you. Go. When you first walk in, once again, this is another studio apartment. Before I start, I would like to say, if you're gonna stay here, I would say stay maybe a week, maybe 3 days. I wouldn't stay as long as I stay in this apartment, but that's just some personal reasons that I'll talk to you about and I'll show you in this review. But let's just start off. Like I said, we're in a studio apartment. So as soon as you walk in the door, you got a couch right here, right? A nice little couch, which is pretty cool. Got the views of the city. It's beautiful. They already got the Christmas lights, getting them set up. Colombians love Christmas here, man. They start like late November, and they turn up the whole month of December, just celebrating Christmas, which is unique to me, all of Colombia. All right, so let's get back to it. Come over here. You got your TV area, which once again, it probably, you guys already know what goes on with the TV. TV rotates, spin around like that. So if you want to watch it, if you want to watch TV in that area, you can. If you want to watch it in this area, you can. You got this little tube chair, like work area, I guess. You can eat right there if you want to, or whatnot. It's all right. Nice little like tiny island. And it rotates so you can swivel it. So this whole thing, it stays right there. It won't move from there, but it'll move from here. And you pretty much can just, see what I'm saying? You can turn it however you want to turn it. If you want to look at the view while you're eating, you can put the chairs on this side and eat or whatnot. But that's pretty cool, I like that. And let's go over here. It did come with a washing machine, no dryer. So if you do wash your clothes, you have to dry them. Just got this little stand thing if you want to dry them with that, I guess. Came with the gas stove, which is good. And you guys already know what's up with this. The microwave action, you know what I'm saying? Got your microwave action. All right. And it's got your blender and whatnot, sink area, freezer, refrigerator. You know, it comes with all the amenities. Glasses or whatever. You got your plates and stuff like that. Your pots and pans, the whole 9 yards, right? Yeah. And let's go over here. Let's keep it going, right? And you got this another window right here. You can slide open. Once again, you got another view of the city. It's pretty cool, right? Over here, then you got your bedroom area, right? You got your bedroom area, your bed. You got a lot of like drawers and closet space, I guess. These beds right here, these are drawers. They open up. See what I'm saying? So those open up, and you got these that open up. They got to come with a fan if you get hot or whatever. If you know, when you live, if you stay in Colombia or in Medellin, the wind at night or during the day, because of the mountains, you really don't need no air conditioning. You know what I'm saying? You can either open your window. I really don't even have to open your window. You're gonna have a nice little cool breeze in your apartment. You got your other drawers right here, right? If you wanna put something in there, you can. Got some up there, and it's the same thing on this side. Universal. You got some cabinets right here. Once again, you got your drawers. You wanna open them up, and you got your more drawers right here. You know, as far as the bed, I give it a 6, but I noticed some beds are like this in Colombia where they're kind of tough. You know what I'm saying? Like you know, I don't want to be complaining because I've been in worse places. Let me tell you. So I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you know, if you like a fluffy bed or whatever, this ain't gonna be for you. Okay. Let's go back to it. And you come in here, then you got your restroom area, right? You got your restroom area, you got your toilet or whatever. You got your shower right here, right? You got your big shower head, you know what I'm saying? Your sink area, you know. It's pretty cool. Like I said, if you're gonna stay for maybe a weekend warrior trip, you're coming for the weekend, Friday through Sunday, leaving on Monday, or maybe if you stay in a week, it'll be pretty decent, pretty good for you. But if you stand for a longer stay, I wouldn't recommend it, just due to certain things that I ran across. Number one thing is why I'm leaving this apartment, I either already left, is these right here, right? Now this is normal, right? These little vents things that's open are normal in Colombia. You get them in certain apartments, right? Because of the breeze, right? So you don't need air conditioning, right? So you get these breezes, right? Then if you come over here, you got these right here, right? You can see that? Those are open too, right? So it's open to the walkway to get to the elevator. But that's coming, this wind or air coming from outside, these little open things right here, right? So number one thing is, these are good, right? But if you stand somewhere where it is a lot of traffic, you're not gonna be able to sleep. Let me tell you that now. If you guys want to hear what I hear, especially during rush hour or traffic time, you know what I'm saying? You're trying to relax, it's just not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. It's so loud sometimes, like trying to, like you can hear it now, you probably can hear the cars now, but this is non-stop. The only time I say I get quietness is when it's like maybe, you know, 12 o'clock at night or Sunday or whatever it may be. But other than that, it's loud, man. I wouldn't do it. You know, and also, like I was saying, at nighttime, you do get the breeze from this here, the wind coming from out of there, coming from there, and the wind coming from here. But man, I'm telling you, maybe because I'm in the mountains, it gets cold in there, man, like freezing cold. Like, so I had to double up on the covers. I just wear, you know, stack up on the clothes. Like I said, I've been in worse places. We ain't gonna talk about all that, but I'm not complaining. I'm telling you that now. I'm so grateful for the experience in this apartment. But yeah, this is one of those are like the main reasons why I decided to leave this apartment. And just trying to do videos is so loud in here. Like, you know, like sometimes I might get a little sound from the streets or the cars squeaking. You hear it in the background because of all this traffic that's out there right now. But nonetheless, if you guys want this information, let me know. Reach out to me. Like I said, I give it to you, and you know, it's no problem. It's no problem. But yeah, show you around or whatever. But I appreciate all you guys for showing up. Appreciate everybody for all the support. But you guys already know. Let me give you guys some advice and help you out and tell y'all how I was able to get this apartment down so low for 35 days. Basically, when you stay in an Airbnb, you have a host. I say that if you're gonna stay a longer stay, and you are familiar with the host and you like what the host is all about, and you reach out to the host personally to see if you can get a decent unit that's open for a better price, and usually they will go for it. So I got this unit for like 600 USD for 35 days, which was decent. But me personally, I had to leave earlier due to certain things I did not like. But nonetheless, it's still a good idea if you're gonna stay for longer than 2-3 weeks. I would say longer than 2 weeks. Reach out to the host, and I guarantee most of the time, if you talk to them, they'll reach back to you, and you can set up a deal where you can do something better. I'm glad I didn't do nothing longer with this, pay longer than this. I knew what I was doing when I first got here. I wanted to play my cards out, just make sure I'm comfortable before I start paying more and more and up to a certain amount of months. You all know that if you're traveling here to Colombia and if you're trying to get an apartment, it's really hard for you. Well, not hard, but you basically got to go through certain steps to get it. You got to have a banking account with a checking account, a bank account with the Colombian bank, and it's got to be in good standards. And when you pay for an apartment here, you usually pay up to 6 months in advance. So you probably could work with somebody if you didn't have like certain type of documents to get to the apartment, because at the end of the day, it's all about money. But that's just one of the points I want to give you. You already know, here at Passport Stamp, we never like to forget. Your passport stamp of the day are definitely going to be your memories of tomorrow. Peace and love, y'all. See y'all in the next episode. Peace.